Hello. So I've seen that Samantha Cameron has posted a query about being able to add a line into your design in Canva, but the default is that it's quite thick. And I think there is a way that you can make it thinner. And I'm going to have a little attempt to see. I'm going to share my screen and see if I can show you how you could do it. So here is just a template that I've got up and running. So we need to go into, you can search in the elements bit and let's type in a line and see what comes up. So there's various default lines there. So we want something that's pretty simple. We want it to be free. So here's one there that I've plopped there. So say, for example, we want to separate these two bits out, the lovely evolution bit and the strap line below. So if we move that, oops, pop that there. If we move the sort of strap line or description about what I do down. So here we have the line. Now there's different things that you can do with it. I'm going to make it white so it can stand out even more. Let's zoom in a bit more. And we can close this tab. So when we're selected on the line, we've got some different things that we can toggle it with. And if you just move it across to change the size of it, making it longer, it doesn't change the thickness. So if you want a thinner line, I think we need to zoom it all the way down to the thickness that you want. And then you can pull it across to the length. So you want to scale it down so it's smaller and then pull it across like I've done there. So the opposite you could do is if I copy, in fact, if I copy the page and show you it in reverse. So if you wanted a super thick line, you could go like that. And again, you can toggle it along the length you want. So in reverse, making it thinner, like that, and pulling it out. So that's that. So I hope you enjoyed my little tip and hope you're able to sort that out some. And I shall stop. Bye.